Hello all, welcome to another part of practice Selenium Java Automation here training series. In this session, I am going to show you how to automate these alerts based on the instructions provided here. So let's get started. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. And here I'll expand this package and I'll create a new class. I'll simply name this as alerts demo. And once that is done, I'll just select this public static void main. Main method will be created. Inside this main method, I'll start writing the code. That is web driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Now hold the mouse on this web driver and import this web driver. If you're not getting the import statement, either you have to select project setup and go with the options, or you can also do one thing. You can write like this: import org dot open qa dot selenium dot selenium sorry dot selenium dot. Here you will get something like web driver. Just select that. Okay. Once you have imported, sorry, this is web driver. Web element has come, so I have to change it to web driver. This will be imported. Okay. Now hover the mouse on Chrome driver. Hover the mouse on Chrome driver and import it from Selenium library. After that, maximize the browser window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then after that, you simply say driver dot get. Here, give the application URL. So this URL I'll take. Let code.in/alert I'll take. Okay. So let me copy this and paste it here. That's it. Okay. Fine. This URL I'll provide in the description of the video. Okay. You can take it from there. Even the code I am writing also will be there in the description of the video. You can take it from there. Fine. After going to this page, what I want to do is I have to follow the instructions and accordingly automate these alerts. Okay. The first instruction is the below alert. I have to accept the alert. Okay. So how will I get the alert? I have to click on this button, guys. Okay. When I click on this button with the label simple alert, I'll get a simple alert like this. Okay. Now what I have to do on this alert is I just need to say okay. Select OK button on the alert. That's the instruction I have to follow. Okay. So let's see whether I can automate that or not. So what I will do here is I'll first need to click on this button to get that simple alert. Okay. I'll right click on this button, inspect that button. And in the HTML code, I'll get this ID. I'll copy this ID. And here write down driver dot find element by dot ID, provide the ID locator, and simply say dot click. The moment I say dot click, this will click on this button, because of which the simple alert will be displayed. Okay. Any information or simple alert will be displayed, guys. So what I have to do on this alert is I just need to accept the alert. Okay. As per the instructions, I just need to accept the alert. So in order to accept the alert, after clicking, okay, I have to switch to the alert. So per my experience, I feel that this is a JavaScript thing, right? So whenever you click on a button, you see, without loading this page, this alert is coming. So there may be some possibilities where this alert is something like Ajax call is happening. Okay. When you click on the button, because of an Ajax call, this alert is coming without, loading the page. So Selenium will not wait for the alert to be displayed. Sometimes the alert may come with a delay. There's a possibility. So it's better to wait for the alert to be displayed on the page. So I always prefer to implement the waiting mechanism. Okay, so that Selenium will wait until the alert will be displayed on the page. How to do that? Web driver wait is equal to new web driver wait. Now hover the mouse on this web driver wait, explicit waiting mechanism of Selenium, guys. Here we have to give this driver we have to give comma duration dot of seconds. I'll just give, I can give 5 seconds also, but I'm just giving 10 seconds, doesn't matter, right? Wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present method I have to use. Till the alert is displayed on the page, Selenium will wait for a maximum of 10 seconds. Okay. If the alert comes before 10 seconds, it will not wait for the entire time. Okay. So fine. Once we have waited for the alert, now it's the time to switch to the alert. Driver dot switch to. At a time on the page, only one alert will be there. So driver dot switch to dot alert we have to say. That's it. Okay. Driver dot switch to. Here we have to use a switch to command. You see here instructions are also given like we have to use switch to command. So have used switch to command to switch to this particular simple alert or information alert. And this alert will return you an alert interface. Alert is equal to like this. I'll write. Now hover the mouse on this alert interface and import it from Selenium library. Now using this object reference kind of stuff, what action I have to do on this alert? I have to accept the alert. In order to accept the alert, this alert interface has some predefined methods like alert dot accept. Using this accept command, you can accept, select OK button. Okay. So this is the command. You see, they already given the instructions are, clue. Fine. So this is all good. Okay. So driver dot switch to the alert and all those stuff. Okay. Here I'll just give some thread dot sleep, or let's not give that. Otherwise, you will not see in the demo, guys. Okay. I'll remove this thread dot sleep later, but for now, after waiting for the alert here, after switching to the alert, before accepting the alert, I'll give the red dot sleep otherwise. Okay. Red dot sleep. I'll just give, just some 2 seconds, guys, not more than that. Okay. Just for demo purpose. Later, I will remove this red dot sleep from this code. Okay. Still the code will be working fine. So accept the alert is done. Then again, what I have to do is once you have accepted the alert, it's the best practice to switch back to the default page. How to do that? Driver dot. It's not compulsory, but if you do so, it is good. Default content, okay? Driver dot switch to default content means wherever the focus of Selenium is. We have switched the focus of Selenium from this default page to the alert. Now I want to bring back that focus from the alert which is not existing right now, default to the default page. For that, I can write this statement. This is optional anyhow. Without this also things may work, okay? But I just take care of a lot of stuff, guys, like waiting for the alert to be there, an extra step and all. This is my way of doing the stuff. So I'll just make sure that the focus of Selenium has come back to the default page again before performing any other operation on the page again. Okay. Next thing is this confirmation alert. Okay. Confirm alert. When I click on this, confirm alert will come. Here earlier in simple alert or information alert, we have OK, only OK button. But in confirmation alert, we have OK and cancel. Whether I can accept the alert or we can dismiss the alert. Okay. And all those stuff. So in this case, what I will do is to get that confirmation alert displayed, right click. I'll simply inspect this button and it has an ID. Copy this ID of the button and I just create the web element driver dot find element by dot ID of that particular confirm alert button. Then say dot click. That's it. Okay. Dot click. The moment I say dot click, this will click on the button and similar way you'll get another alert. Same mechanism, guys. Again, just follow the same thing. Wait, just copy paste this part. Okay. You don't have to declare the wait again and again. Already once it is declared, you can simply use it. Okay. Wait is for new WebDriver wait. Wait until alert is present. Here also for confirmation alert also is an alert. So we can wait for the alert is present. Once the alert has come, then what are the instructions I have to follow? I have to dismiss the alert and print the alert text. So before dismissing the alert, I have to retrieve the text on the alert. Okay, this particular text I have to read. How to do that? For that, here already alert is declared. I'll simply write down like this. Okay, driver dot switch to dot alert and alert I will say. And here using this alert, I'll simply write down alert dot get text command I'll use. This text get text command will retrieve this. Are you happy with the let code? Some kind of text will come. String. Okay, text on confirmation alert, okay, is equal to, I'll print out this text, system.out.println, text on confirmation alert. Okay, this is what I will do. After that is done, I have to dismiss alert. I should not be selecting the OK button. Rather, I should select the cancel button. For that to happen, I'll simply say alert dot dismiss. Okay, alert dot dismiss. This will dismiss the alert. Alert will go off. Okay. Again, I need to come back to the default content. Driver dot switch to default content. Same thing I'll use. Okay. Here also, before dismissing the alert, before closing or dismissing the alert, I'll just add some thread dot sleep so that we can see what's happening on the screen. Like this. Done. That is also done. Cancel, done. Now type your name and accept. Third activity, guys. Okay, this part is over. The instructions I have followed. You see, switch to accept, dismiss command, get text command, everything I've used, right? Get text command I've used here. Dismiss command I've used it as per the clues given here on the page. Now, third thing is type your name and accept. This is a prompt alert guide. Look something like into this field, I have to type my name or something. Okay. And then accept means I have to select OK button. Okay. So how to do that? For that, again, right click, inspect this button. When I click on this button only, I'll get that prompt alert, right? So copy this and here write down driver dot find element by dot, okay, ID of that prompt alert button and simply say dot click. The moment I say dot click on this button and you'll get this prompt alert. In this prompt alert, I have to first switch to this prompt alert. Before switching to the prompt alert, we have to wait for this alert to be displayed. Again, the same code will be repeated. This copy paste this code, guys. Okay. Okay. Once waited for this prompt alert or any type of alert. Okay. Then we have to perform some activities on the alert. That is, we have to enter the, I have to enter my name into this alert. Okay. To enter the name. How to enter the name? For entering the name, after waiting, we have to switch to the alert. So this line will help us in switching to the alert. Driver dot switch to alert. And using this alert, I'll simply say dot send keys command I have to use. Alert. This send keys command is from alert interface, guys. Okay. So here, what text I want to type? I want to type my name into the alert. Arun. Okay. I would like to type Arun. So when I run the script, you will not visually see that my name is being typed. Okay. That is not possible in automation. Maybe it's possible in another browser like Firefox browser. It is possible. You will visually see that into the prompt alert, my name is getting entered. But in Chrome browser, you will not be able to see, even though my name is getting entered into this text field on this prompt alert, but still visually you will not be able to see, but it's actually entering. Okay. So that you have to accept this. Okay. And then you have to accept this alert. For that to happen, I have to say alert dot accept command. Done. This will accept the alert. Okay. Before I accept the alert, I'll just write down again the thread dot sleep just for demo purpose. So whether you will not visually see or not, once you say okay, if you see in the page like your name is Arun means Arun has been entered, right? Even though visually on the alert prompt that my name is getting entered, if you are not able to see visually, at least in the output you will be able to see, right? If this comes means here my name is there means that has been entered properly. Once that is also done, again I have to switch back to the default content, default page. Okay, that is also there. Okay. So once that is done, the last one, okay, they are saying as sweet alert, the modern alert. So there are no particular instructions given about this sweet alert or modern alert, but I will give you some instructions. Let's say when you click on this, this looks like an alert, but it's actually not an alert. Okay. If you see any of the alerts earlier, if I click on this, if you right click here, you will not get any. I'm trying to right click here my mouse. I'm not getting any inspect options. But coming to this one, when I right click, I'm getting inspect option. So this is basically, they may call it as a sweet alert. I call it as a light box. Okay, somewhere the cross button will be there. Okay, so light box or something, whatever you say. Okay, it's not an alert basically. Technically, it's not an alert. It's a light box, guys. Okay, some people may call it as a sweet alert and all those stuff. Okay, but here compared to these alerts, when you right click, I'm not getting any inspect options, right? Right click, no inspect options here. But coming to this one, I can right click and I'll get the inspect option. So the way of dealing with this kind of sweet alert or in light box is kind of completely different, guys. Okay. So we don't have to switch to that. We don't have to switch to that. Okay. Rather, we can inspect and, the normal web page automation, how do you do that only? Okay, on the same page it will be there. You see, when I click on this list, this light box or this sweet alert is also part of the same web page. If you right click and inspect, the HTML code of this light box or sweet alert is part of the same page. So why should I switch to another thing? Because it's part of the same page. Okay, but these alerts are not part of the same page. They are coming on the top of that. We have to switch to them and do the operation and come back to the page. But in this case of this, you don't have to switch. Okay. So anyhow, in order to get that sweet alert or light box, I have to first right click inspect this button. I'll get the HTML code. Here there's an ID. Copy the ID. Here I'll write down the code driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator of that and simply say dot click. Moment I say dot click, the moment I say dot click, I'll click on this and I'll get this light box or sweet alert, whatever you say, which is part of the same page. I don't have to switch to this, but there may be some situations where there may be some delay in displaying this. You see, the light box may come with a delay. Without loading the page, this is coming means there may be delay. So waiting mechanism is still applicable, guys, but the way of waiting should be different. So I'll copy these two lines. Okay. I'll wait for that to come, that light box to come. But here I should not be saying alert is present. Okay. Expected conditions dot visibility of element located I'll use. Okay. And I'll inspect this and see what is there. Any particular ID or something is there. I'll see. It has a class as title. So I'll simply say double slash p at the rate class is equal to title. I'll say if there is only one element, that's fine. I can wait for this one. Only one element is there. That is nothing but this one. So I'll wait for this one. Okay. I'll simply say by dot xpath, provide the xpath expression of that thing. Okay. I'll wait until that particular thing is displayed. That's it. I should not be waiting for the alert this time. Neither I have to switch to that. Once this comes, till that I will wait. And after that waiting period is over. And once this comes, okay, let me give you some activity, like let me give myself some activity here. Like I would like to retrieve this particular text on the light box. So I'll inspect this. Okay, so here you can clearly see this particular text is between the paragraph tags. So the same XPath I can use. So I'll say light box element, I'll say is equal to, I'll create a web element out of it. And I'll simply say lightbox element dot get text. If I say, it will retrieve the text on that lightbox. String text on lightbox, light box or sweet alert, whatever it is you want to call. Okay. Then I'll just print it out. System.out.println. I'll just print it out. And I would like to close this light box. I'll inspect this cross button. And here you see button Arial label close is there. Let me see if I can, write some XPath expression to, locate this particular cross option. If I click on that, it will close. Control F, double slash button at the rate. I just copied the attribute name and close, I will say. It's locating only one element, that is nothing but cross. Copy this and simply write down. It's part of the same page again. That's why I'm writing as simple as, automating some element on the web page. By dot xpath, provide the xpath expression of that close option of the lightbox or sweet alert and simply say click. And now before closing this, I'll just add some thread dot slip so that will stay for a while. Okay, once that is done, once that is closed, again, I'll just simply, thread dot sleep, and finally I'll quit the browser, driver dot quit the browser. Okay, this is what is a script I have to write for automating all the things that are on the page. So the activities I have included as part of the demonstration is I want to retrieve this particular text, then I have to close it. These two activities. Okay, so fine. So I am able to automate this entire page now. Let me run the script to see what's happening. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see what will happen. One by one, things should work out. Visually, some things will be confirmed here, and in the output also something will be confirmed. So let's go with that. It has opened, it has taken to the application page. It has clicked on the button, we got the alert. Closed, alert got accepted. Second, third one. You see, your name is Arun came and everything is fine. Everything is fine, right? Are you happy with the let code? Okay, that is the text on the, okay, text on this particular confirmation alert has been retrieved and printed in the output console as per the instructions. And you see, whatever the text on the light box or sweet alert has been retrieved, and everything is working fine, guys. Everything is working fine. And also here, we have seen visually that visually my name may not be entered into the field, but here text Arun has been entered. Some kind of message has come that confirmed it. Okay. So these are all the things, guys. These are all the things with these instructions and with my demonstration, we were able to automate all the different type of alerts that are present on this page. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. And this code I will, provide in the description of this video. You can get it from there. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.